Ngizabona ungixolele kakhulu baby ngokulindisa.
No worries baby, but now njengathi intombazane exesha elide kangaka. Ukasizedo walapha nomntana. Umve. Yamvulambile. Kanti ngiyangxaki yakho muntu. Yintoni bamitha mina ngoba nemutsi wena. Plus nguwosibizileyo apha and then now ngibike attitude leyo.
Sithando sampela lena. Ngizaba ungixolele kakhulu baby na. Baby yasi. Kahle kunento engifuna ukuthetha ngayo nawe baby. So
ingathi izobanda yonke lento. Asinoqala isitye qala. Ulambile umntana. Oh khalezise ke uthethe ke.
Okay baby. Yazi baby. Mina kahle ngithanda ukuthi ngiyabonga sithando sami. Ngizobaba phela njengoba uthwele ingane yami le. Kodwa baby ngathi isoba nenkinga man. Lengane asikwazi uyidedele iselapha emhlabeni kuzomele sibonane.
Uthi kwenza njani buntu? Hayi andikuva. Uthi utheni? Sibulala umntana. Buntu unenhloni ngami angithandi okanye ukhona umuntu onaye.
Baby kulalele man, kulalele. Uyazi ukuthi yonke le nto eshoka kulona iqiniso sithi baby uqala angisebenzi nawe futhi awusebenzi. So usho ukuthi lengane lesiyondla ngani? Ngisho-ke lo sisizathu ukuthi kuzomele simbolane.
Excuse yakho imathile buntu. Sesingaze sibulala umntana ngenxa wena usebenza. Uzotshela into esityayo mos. Okay. Xa ngifuna umntana yitsho. Zocela mama ancedise bonke. Because le nto ethethayo andiyazi.
Yes, wena baby wenza ngathi ngithi uyobulala umuntu le. No, anyisho kanjalo. Uyabona le nto oyithwele manje akuyena umuntu yedwa. So inkinga yakho ukuthi simdlulise emhlabeni kusesemanje.
Umuntu ukubulala noma angangakanani umntana ukubulala angiyazi ngento u-explain into ngayaziyo.
Ubona qala nini usakubulala baby? Izolo lokhu bubugijima ngesibhamu la ufuna ukubulala mina nomshana wami vele ukubulala. So inkinga yakho ikuphi manje uzonomelo ukhiphe le?
Yes wena buntu.
Stand up.
Hey, nonsense.
Damn it, Nungu. Where did she go? Where is she? I was going to Slima. You know exactly who I'm asking about.
I didn't know the mama. So why am I?
Is your mom involved in other relationship, but?
So kanqala nje ndiqale ungene nabazakho nomama. Yenza umuntu akasozofuna peace if anguwe ngumalume wakho.
Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. I shouldn't involve you in my business with your mom. Speaking of umalume, was kanjani ukumshintsha kumuntu anguwe namuhla?
Awungikhulula yes, but ke umuntu kwamthanda.
Wow. Yes, I can see. Even ngale jacket le greenish ekamlenga mama. I can wear it too. I can see what you need. Bit of a style now.
Jacket green? No, mudana jacket green. And kumboni sasa ni jacket kakuntra bendini. Kage ngizanze into ukujikila phela.
Are you sure, man?
Why are you doing that?
Hey, sweetheart, please sit down. Look, you know love can make you do things that you never thought you could do. right?
Yeah, sometimes.
Look, I left my family and stayed here with you. I chose you over my family. Now my dad doesn't even want to see me. And I don't regret choosing you over my family because I love you.
Okay. Yeah, I know. And I'm sure it wasn't an easy decision. Kodwa wayenza. Futhi nami ngiyayithanda.
I know. That is why ngeke ngivume kungena omunye umuntu phakathi kwethu. Ngambulala afe nya.
Oh, all right. Udengathetha kanje.
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Jinga.
It's just I'm trying to push a conversation with you. That's it. And nokuthi ngikhumbule ukuthi nana wesifela kuphi.
Okay. Ngilungisa indawo la. Siza.
Sure. Hey, sweetheart. Sicela nini manje ukulala kanje?
Sorry, baby. I'm so nervous.
So uthi the green jacket eshiwe umbala yakamalungu?
Ngoba?
No, I'm just confirming, that's all. Anyway, I've been trying to get hold of you the whole day. You were unreachable. Where have you been?
Oh, Benji, Kwabunolo, and then if I'm big to me. So yeah, that's why I'm late. Go.
Oh, no problem. I'm just wondering, Guti. Ubonolo, I know each other. You're forgetful now.
I don't know. So what is your problem? Since ndifike lapha ngene endlini undibuza izinto ezistrange uthetha into ezingamake sense like uqala into kungabulala abantu like yandina ufuna uthini awusandifuna uthengathi lento ufuna uyithetha okanye ufuna ugoduka uvela uhambe ugoduka into engxake.
Oh my God, don't even start to do whatever that you think you're doing right now because it will piss me the fuck off. Do you hear me?
What kind of chewing is that?
Hayi man, sister Boza man. Asithi umuntu ukhwayile man.
So tell me, Ghost, for how long will you be here? Inandi is comfortable that way. And it's not like an even escape. So and it's what you pan. Why was Kazolumba Baba? And I'm saying I'm not gara Panatamino house Kazolumba Baba.
Hayi man, sikukukazi man. Bantu khuleka yabona mina angiyenda. Wena ngeke ugcwale ibhafu. Yabo, ngoba ibhaza yami ithe ngithile yini? Anthina zabo. Ela futhi nawe uyacaba ukuthi kuhefakele kangakanani la lesangisayo. Hayi. Futhi yabona makuba ufuna ubuconfigure, kwangayekini le. Uyoba comfortable ukhona. Hayi futhi angazi ukuthi ufunani la. Hayi.
What do you mean, Ghost?
Sengingathi uyabona wena sikukukazi. Ngiyabona ukuthi wena nomsizi seni ngamathi ngolweni. Hayi man.
Lusanda! Finally, the person I'm looking for. You are here.
Olive, what do you want here? And how did you?
Hey, I want to know how long have you been staying here? And this guy promised to marry you?
Come on, just calm down.
Hey, I know that. Hey, fast. Salapazi. And listen to me attentively.
Olive, can you please calm down?
You Mrs. have been sleeping with my sister.
Verhabeki wena. Usazwenza wena. Yini ngivane nendlebe tami? Ghost, ngiyazama angavi next. Umuntu lokho ngingalawo. Kwendekani? Ngibani wendeni nabani?
Hey, stop staring at me like that. Bring water. Can you see my sister's fainting here?
Manje kunuka wena. Yekela nje ife. Ayifele njalo.
Asante sister.
Manabo, la umuntu lona wazo phefumula.
No, my brother.
No masimba wena.
It's Mrs. who's sleeping with my
Nina masimba ngekho la le.
That's why I come here.
Nakuhlanyisa
I want to tell them to stop.
Yeah. Yizokhuluma masayila mwethu wena soon. Ngifuna ukuphisa lento oyisho wena. Usifanele. No, siboza yami. Yeah. Next. Awayikwendeke. Skipper wena. Ekhuluma manje.
It's Mrs. my brother. He's sleeping with my sister. That's why I come here. I want them to stop what they are doing.
Don't spell. Isikipisa lento oyikhuluma wena. Ekhuluma manje. Cause sasa nishakini na ukambe nayo la wala kusali situ ukawa inapita kwa mzima kwa sababu kuna nani mmoja mmoja anaenda sokoni kwa